Hello everyone, welcome to the cooler report. I'm going ahead to introduce our newest products. On my right hand, this is all stainless steel glass door freezers. And let's take a look at the overall sizes first. And the overall length is about like a 29 inches. And overall depth include front handlebars, that will be 33 inches. And the overall height is about like 82.5 inches for the height. As you can see, the front door is using the triple layer glasses for the freezer, and they have a locker on top, controllers right here, switches for the power and the lights. And when we open it, the unit still the self-close. And we can take a look at the inner side. They have a stickers right here and fast service, the barcodes right here. Let's take a look at the inner side overall dimensions. The length about like a 24.5 inches. And the overall depth will be about like a 27 inches. And the overall height is about like a 51.5 inches. The units also coming with the circular fan inner side and LED right here. So this unit's front. And let's take a look at the back side. As you can see, they still have fast service barcode right here, and built-in the compressor system at the bottom, and using the standard US 110 plugs. So this is all the information about the coolers. And if you have more questions, please contact with us. Thank you.